Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no analytics file found issue on iPhone. So guys, if you want to see battery stats of your iPhone but you are unable to see it and this error appears on the screen, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you see analytics of your battery in your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and first of all you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, for that open settings and now scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and see if there is any update available for you, then update your device to the latest version. So guys, do this and go back and now force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. Then go back and you have to open your settings again and now you have to scroll it below and tap on privacy and security. Scroll it below all the way and from here tap on analytics and improvement and you have to simply turn this toggle on for share iPhone analytics. So guys, here you can see this. If it is off, simply turn it on and now tap on analytics data. And from here you will see all of your analytics data regarding your battery or other performances. So guys, here you can see all of your files. You have to simply see your analytics file and then you have to simply tap on that analytics file, and after this you have to simply tap on this share button and then you will see your battery stats or battery analytics of your device. So guys, in this way you can also fix this issue on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.